I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, and born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this, wish out you a new weapon. I don't contemplate.
So hi guys, we're gonna be unboxing today my new Apple AirPods Pro. So let's see first what's in the box. Okay, so when you first open the box, you're gonna see this manual. I think it's a manual or a reminder from Apple maybe. So here it is. Here's what you're gonna be seeing first once you open the box. So yeah, I can definitely confirm that this is a manual on how you can use or how to use the AirPods. Okay, so after this one, you're gonna be seeing the AirPods themselves. Okay, so this is the case of the AirPods. It's a wireless charger. It's like a power bank for the AirPods where once you put them inside, they're gonna charge in. So let's move on to this one later. Okay, so we also have here its cable charger. It's just a cable, doesn't have an adapter that comes with the AirPods Pro. So as you can see here, it's using the latest connection, adapter connector or connection, which is a Type-C cord. But on the other end, where you're going to be charging the AirPods, it's the lightning cable that Apple has been using for so long, which started from Apple 5 I think, and up until now they're still using this lightning cable. The adapter or the connection to its adapter is just the one that changed, and they use the Type-C cord for it. Okay, so that's also, I think this is the last one that's inside the box. I think these are the earbuds or the rubber thingy that you put on your ear that connects to the AirPods. They come in two pairs. These are the smaller ones, and we have bigger ones depending on the comfort when you use them on your ear. So, but they also have built-in earbuds that comes with them. So let's see. Let's open this one now. Okay, so we have here the AirPods themselves. Okay, so as you can see here, they have the earbuds thingy that I was talking about earlier, and yeah, these are the AirPods. Okay, so that's what you're gonna be seeing once you open the AirPods Pro. Okay, so let us now move on to the Apple AirPods product specifications. So let us see what are the specifications of the Apple AirPods. So for its audio technology, it is a custom high excursion Apple driver and a custom high dynamic range amplifier. And it has a active noise cancellation, transparency mode, vent system for pressure equalization, spatial audio dynamic head tracking, and an adaptive EQ. So that's for its audio technology. And for its sensor, we have a dual beamforming microphones, inward facing microphone, dual optical sensors, motion detecting accelerometer, and a speech detecting accelerometer, and the last one is a force sensor. So that's for the sensors. And its chip is a H1 headphone chip. And for its control, it has a flat surface. Let me show you. Do you see that flat surface on the side? That gosh, my dirty nails. That flat surface over there. You can tap this. For one press, you can play music, pause, or answer a phone call with one press. Then for pressing it twice, it is to skip forward or to play your next music. And for pressing 3 times is to skip back. For the 2 presses, it's to skip for the next one, and for 3 presses, it's gonna go back to the previous one that you're playing. And then once you hold it, or a long press, it's to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. That's for its controls. And for its sweat and water resistance, it is an IPX4. Okay, and let's see the size of the Apple AirPods Pro. For its width, this one, from here to the end of this earbuds, it is a 21.8 millimeter, and for its height, it's 30.9 millimeter, and it has a weight of 5.4 milligrams, just grams, 5.4 grams. And for its case, the length or the width of the front is a 60.6 millimeters, and for the height, this height, it's 45.2 millimeters, and for the thickness, this one, or the width from its side, it's 21.7 millimeters. Okay, so this one weighs 45.6 grams, and its charging case works with MagSafe charger, QI certified chargers, or the lightning connector. This is the lightning connector that I was talking about. This one, that's the lightning cable. And for its battery, up to 4 to 5 hours of listening time with a single charge, up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation and transparency off, up to 3.5 hours of talk time with a single charge. It's not actually that bad. That's pretty long for this small buds. And the AirPods Pro with MagSafe charging case, more than 24 hours of listening time and more than 18 hours of talk time once you use the MagSafe charging case. And 5 minutes in the case provides around 1 hour of listening time or around 1 hour of talk time. Just 5 minutes inside this case. Okay, so its connectivity is the Bluetooth 5.0, and in the box, the AirPods Pro, a MagSafe charging case, a silicone ear tip. Yeah, also that's what they're called, silicone ear tips. And they are available in 3 sizes. And the lightning USB cable, this one. And the documentation. I think this is the documentation that it says here. And for its accessibility features help people with disabilities get the most out of their new AirPods Pro features, including like live listen audio, headphone levels, headphone accommodations, and conversation boosts. So that's what we have here for the product specification of the Apple AirPods Pro. So that's it for the product specification. We're gonna be moving on to product description. And for the Apple AirPods Pro product description, AirPods Pro have been designed to deliver active noise cancellation for immersive sound, transparency mode so you can hear your surroundings, and a customizable fit for all-day comfort. Just like AirPods, AirPods Pro connect magically to your Apple devices, and they're ready to use right out of the case. So that is true, because once you open up this, it'll automatically pop up on your screen if you're using an Apple device, and you'll just connect it from there. But if you're using an Android, you're gonna have to connect it manually from the Bluetooth of your device. So for the active noise cancellation, incredibly light noise cancelling headphones, AirPods Pro block out your environment so you can focus on what you're listening to. AirPods Pro use 2 microphones, an outward-facing microphone and an inward-facing microphone, to create superior noise cancellation. By continuously adapting to the geometry of your ear and the fit of the ear tips, these ones, you're gonna be using what fits on your ear or where you're comfortable with for long use. Okay, so where are we? Active noise cancellation silences the world to keep you fully turned into your music, podcast, and calls. So that's it for the active noise cancellation. And for the transparency mode, switch to transparency mode and AirPods Pro let the outside sound, allowing you to hear and connect to your surroundings. Outward and inward facing microphones enable AirPods Pro to undo the sound isolation effect that the silicone tips so things sound and feel natural. Like when you're talking to people around you, and conversation boost makes it easier to hear people during face-to-face conversations in noisy environments by focusing your AirPods Pro on the person talking directly in front of you. So that is what we have for transparency mode. And for its customizable fit, AirPods Pro offer a more customizable fit with 3 sizes of flexible silicone tips to choose from. So again, we're still talking about these tips. This is the smaller one, this is the bigger one, and what we have here is what comes with the Apple AirPods Pro once you buy it. So these are in 3 available sizes that comes with the Apple AirPods Pro. With an internal tapper, they conform to the shape of your ear. Secure your AirPods Pro in place and creating an exceptional seal for superior noise cancellation. That's for customizable fit. So that's what we have for the product description for of the Apple AirPods Pro. Okay, now let us see how do we set up the Apple AirPods Pro on your device, or how do you connect it with your iPhone. So what we're gonna have to do is, so here's my iPhone, I have it here with me. Let me just adjust this so that you can see. Okay, so we're gonna have to open this and you have to put it right beside. So here we have it pop up on the screen. So if it's not showing connect down here, you're gonna have to hold this button at the back and see the light here. It's green, right? So it has to turn white and it has to blink before you can connect it to your device. So let us just remove this one, and here we go. So as you see here, you can just press this connect button, and when it's done connecting, you can just, here we go. Let us just skip this, and we're done. So you can now use the AirPods with your phone. You can listen to music or watch videos with this. Okay, so let us now move on to the common issues that you face when you have an Apple AirPods Pro, and also what you can do to fix those problems, or what troubleshooting steps you can follow or do to get your device running properly. So the first issue is pairing problems. If you're running into an issue where AirPods aren't connecting to your phone or tablet, the first thing to do is to put them back in the charging case, wait around 30 seconds, then take them back out and pop them in your ears again. And if that doesn't work, the next step is to try turning Bluetooth on and off on your phone or tablet. Then repeat the above process in all but the most unusual cases. This should solve the issue. It's not likely, but you may encounter situations where neither solution works. If this is the case, try fully resetting the AirPods. This is a catch-all fix for a lot of problems, and one well detailed at the bottom of this article. Okay, so for the second issue, one AirPod won't connect. So another common issue AirPods owner run into is that one AirPod won't connect. So just like when dealing with both AirPods, the first thing you're going to want to do is pop both of them back in the charging case, wait for about 10 seconds, then remove them and put them into your ears. Okay, so if you still have no luck fixing that problem, repeat the above step, this time turning Bluetooth on and off on your device or phone or tablet before removing the pods from their charging case. Okay, so those are the first two issues that Apple or AirPod users face. And for computer connection woes, this isn't much of an issue with newer Macs, but sometimes maintaining a Bluetooth connection can be problematic with older machines. The first thing to try is the same as the first step. When trying to connect to a phone, put the AirPods back into their case for 10 seconds before removing again and inserting into your ear. If that doesn't work, you will want to unpair and pair them again, which can be done by turning Bluetooth off and on, but this could be a problem if you use a Bluetooth mouse on your computer. In this case, head to your Bluetooth settings, locate the Bluetooth icon in your status bar, or find the settings under System Preferences, then Bluetooth. Find the AirPods and disconnect them. Then go through the same steps you used to pair the AirPods to your computer in the first place. So that is how you fix the computer connection woes. And for call drops, this is the fourth issue, call drops. Intermittent call drops have plagued the AirPods since they debuted back in 2017. Fortunately, there is a simple fix that often works. Try taking calls with only one AirPod in your ear, not both. If that doesn't work, there are a few options that iPhone users can try. First, make sure your AirPods aren't in need of a charge. You can also try turning Bluetooth off and back on again. If that doesn't do it, open the Settings app and go to the Bluetooth section. Next to the AirPods entry on the list of devices, you should see an icon inside of a circle. Tap this, then select microphone and set it to either left or right. In extreme cases, you can also turn off automatic ear detection in the same section, though this disables one of the earbud's most convenient features and will also run down the battery faster. Okay, so what we have next is the audio issues or static. Static and subpar audio quality can be caused by a lot of things, so it's much tougher to diagnose. Bluetooth connections can be affected by interference, which can cause everything from static to reduced audio quality and even disconnections. If this always happens in one place, interference could be the problem. If this is happening in your home, you might be able to track down the device causing interference and move it or use your AirPods in a different area. If you're in an office, you may be out of luck. So the last issue here that we have is finding your lost AirPods. Considering the size and wireless nature of AirPods, losing them is fairly common complaint. Fortunately, it's easily fixed using Apple's Find My Tracking software. To get started, launch the Find My iPhone app in your iOS device or head to the iCloud website. Then sign in with your Apple ID and select Find My iPhone. From there, select your AirPods and you will see a map showing where they are or their last location before they were powered off. If you see a green dot next to the icon for your AirPods, it means they're turned on, and you can play a sound to easily locate them. So that's it. That's what we have for the common issues that Apple AirPods users face, and also that they have their troubleshooting steps or what we can do to fix the problem during or while you're using the AirPods. So that's it for this video, and thank you very much guys, and have a great day.